Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordering numbers to 20. Students need to be able to order numbers to 20 with confidence. The following are some of the exercises that will help them along this journey. Example 1. Write the following numbers in order from lowest to highest. So you go lowest to highest for those three. Same there. Same for those four, lowest to highest. And the same for those four, lowest to highest. Example 2. Write the following numbers in order from highest to lowest. So from highest to lowest for those three numbers. From highest to lowest. From highest to lowest for those four. And from highest to lowest for those four. Example 3. For each of the following, circle the largest number. So you pick the largest number out of those four there and circle it. And you do the same there. For each of the following, circle the smallest number. Pick the smallest number out of those four and circle it, and do the same here. For each of the following, write the number that comes immediately after the given number. So in your normal counting, what comes after 13, write the answer there. In your normal counting, what comes after 19, write the answer there. What comes after 10, write the answer there. For each of the following, write the number that comes immediately before the given number. What comes before 17, before 20, before 13, and before 16. Example 6. For each of the following, write the number that comes between the two given numbers. So in your normal counting, what is this number? What is this one? And what is this one? And example 7. What number is two numbers more than 13? What number is two numbers less than 19? So this video again has looked at numbers up to 20, and we've done some various exercises using those numbers.